So, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to debut this year as a replacement for the underperforming iPhone 16 Plus. Since its introduction, the Plus model has struggled to resonate with consumers, prompting Apple to pivot with a new approach. The question now is whether the iPhone 17 Air can turn the tide. Apple's focus on an ultra-slim design suggests the company aims to capture attention by delivering one of the thinnest smartphones ever. According to prominent Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 17 Air will measure just 5.5 millimeters at its thinnest point, an extraordinary engineering achievement. While it won't match the 5.1mm profile of the 13-inch iPad Pro, the Air still gets impressively close, especially given the compact dimensions of a smartphone. Earlier reports indicated the thickness would be around 6.25mm, still impressive but less groundbreaking. A rumor from late last year hinted at dimensions between 5mm and 6mm, which aligns with Kuo's latest claims. However, achieving such thinness might come with trade-offs. For starters, the iPhone 17 Air is unlikely to include a physical SIM card slot, relying exclusively on eSIM technology. While this move aligns with Apple's minimalist philosophy, it could create challenges in regions like China, where eSIM-only devices are not widely supported. The iPhone 17 Air's ultra-thin design might also lead to compromises in hardware capabilities. For example, Kuo suggests the phone could feature only a single rear camera, a setup reminiscent of the budget-friendly iPhone SE. This would be a departure from Apple's standard dual or triple camera systems in its higher-end models. Despite these potential downgrades, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to carry a premium price tag, emphasizing its cutting-edge design and positioning within Apple's product hierarchy. Apple's bold pursuit of slimness with the iPhone 17 Air echoes its history of pushing the boundaries of design and engineering. However, the device's success hinges on whether consumers are willing to accept these compromises for the allure of extreme thinness. With the iPhone 16 Plus falling short of expectations, the stakes are high for the Air to deliver a compelling alternative that resonates with buyers. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 Air? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.